Hello, I am Rahish. Today I am discussing about the second part of the history of space exploration. In 1926, that was all about to change. An American scientist, Robert Goddard, built the world's first liquid fueled rocket. It was very small and took a flight of just 2.5 seconds. His design was very different from the rockets that we see today. Except of putting tanks on top and engine on bottom, he attached engine on top and tank on bottom. This design is known as a pendulum rocket. Both types of rocket engines, the solid fuel and liquid fueled, were further developed and become an important part of the world wars and the Cold War. The actual space race began on 4th October 1957 when the former Soviet Union launched the world's first satellite, Sputnik 1, on the biggest rocket at the time. The modified versions of that rocket are still flying today in the form of Soyuz. Subsequently, the US also launched their first satellite, the Explorer 1. In 1961, the USSR launched the first man into space. Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. Gagarin was launched on board the Vostok 1. In the same year, US also launched the first American, Alan Shepard, into space. At this point, it was clear that US was following the footsteps of USSR. But on 20th July 1969, an American, Neil Armstrong, became the first human to walk on the lunar terrain. And with this Apollo 11 mission, the US won the space race. In years to come, many space stations such as Salyut, Mir, and Skylab were launched into space. Going to space, launching rockets and spacecrafts become much frequent. The list of spacefaring nations now include India, Japan, France, China, Israel, and some other countries. The most powerful machines built by humans were made between 1960s and 1980s, such as the Saturn V, N1, and the Space Shuttle. Now it is the time of new, small, modern rockets. In the 1990s, the International Space Station started taking shape. ISS was completed by jointly US and Russia, but many parts were built by Europe, Japan, and Canada. Now, for the first time, private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are launching spacecrafts and rockets into space. In fact, the most powerful launch vehicle currently flying is the Falcon Heavy by SpaceX, and these private companies are also reusing rocket stages. At this point, Indian space program is growing rapidly. This is the world's fastest growing space program. It is no doubt that India will again become the leader in space exploration like once it was in Tipu Sultan's era. Only because of efforts of pioneers like Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, Robert Goddard, von Braun, emperors like Tipu Sultan, and countries like India, US, and Russia, humans have become spacefaring species. Space is the ultimate frontier of mankind, and now we know that the destiny of humankind is in space. This is the second part of the history of space exploration. Link for the first part is given in the description. Thanks for watching my video.